Hello, this tutorial today is for a granny ripple blanket using the granny ripple stitch. I'm using a double knitting yarn for this project and a 5mm hook. The one that I've got here I've just done in the two colours, a random double knit and a plain cream. I'm going to use quite bright colours for the one that I use for the tutorial. We need to start with a chain, and the chain needs to be in multiples of 18. We're going to do a smaller version of a blanket for this tutorial. I'm going to chain 3 multiples of 18. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, just move the wool, 16, 17, 18, and then I'm going to do another 2 sets of 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and I'll do a third set of 18 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So if you're doing a blanket or a baby blanket, you'll need to pause the video and work the width of your blanket, just remembering that we need to be doing multiples of 18 chains. This row is a foundation row, and we need to work 3 double crochets in the 5th chain from the hook. So if we count back 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and into that chain we're going to work 3 doubles. There's 1. The double is yarn over, into the chain, pick up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and a third double into that same chain stitch. We're going to skip 2 chains and work 3 double crochets into the next stitch. So miss 1 and 2, and into the 3rd chain along we're going to work the 3 doubles. And 3. We're going to skip 2 chains again, and there's 1 and 2. Into the next chain we're going to work 3 doubles, three chain, and into that same stitch we work a further 3 doubles. You can actually see the first peak of the ripple forming there. We're then going to skip the next 2 chains, 1 and 2, and into the next one we're going to work 3 doubles. We're going to skip the next 2 chains and again work 3 doubles into the next chain. We now work 5 chain. We now skip 5 chain. So carefully counting the 5, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're then going to work 3 doubles into the next chain. We then skip 2 chains and work 3 doubles into the next. We're going to skip the next 2 chain, and into the 3rd chain we're going to work 3 doubles, 3 chains and 3 doubles. There you can see we've got the next peak has now formed. So you're going to carry on all the way along working the same way that we've got the 3 chain, 3 double, 3 chain, 3 double, and then we'll do 2 more sets of 3 doubles coming down and then skip the 5 chain. So the next stitch along we're going to miss 2 chains and into the 3rd chain, there's 1, there's 2, into the 3rd chain we're going to work 3 doubles, skip 2 chains and 3 doubles into the next. We're then going to skip 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into the next chain we're going to work the 3 doubles. Skip 2 chains and work 3 doubles. So we've got this, skipping the 5, we've got 2 blocks coming upwards. We're then going to skip 2 chains and we're back at the peak, so we're going to work the 3 doubles, 3 chain and 3 doubles. We're going to skip 2 chains and work 3 doubles, skip 2 chains and work the final set of 3 doubles, which leaves 1 chain at the very end, and we're going to work a double into that chain. So the repeat of the pattern for the foundation row is working the 2 blocks of 3, 2 blocks of 3 plus the 3 chain in between, coming down with 2 blocks, skipping the 5 chain which creates the V, and then 2 blocks going up, the 2 into the same stitch, and so on. Once you're at the end of the row, we're going to turn the work around and work 4 chain. So each row now is going to be exactly the same. It is different to the foundation row, but this is the repeat row now that you'll carry on until you've got the length of the blanket. So in the space between the blocks of 3 doubles, we're now going to work 3 doubles, sorry. going to skip the 3 doubles and work 3 doubles again into the next space. Skip the next 3 doubles, and into this 3 chain space we're going to work 3 doubles, 3 chains and 3 doubles. Which again is going to form the peak of the ripple stitch. Coming down to the V, we're going to work 3 doubles into the next space, and 3 doubles into the next. So again we're working in blocks of 2. We've got the 2 coming up, the 2 into the same stitch, the 2 coming down. We're now going to skip the 2 where the 5 chain space is. So we go straight across, skipping the 2 sets of 3, and we're going to work 3 doubles. Forming again the V. We're then going to work 3 doubles into the next space, which gives us the 2 blocks coming back up, and into the 3 chain space from the previous row we're going to work 3 doubles, 3 chains and 3 doubles. There's 1, 2 and 3, followed by 3 chain and a further 3 doubles. We're going to work 3 doubles in each of the next 2 spaces. Oops, got a little knot there. There's 1, and the second set of 3 into the second space. And again we're back at the bottom of the V, where we skip these 2 blocks of 3 and work a double, followed by a further 2 doubles into that next space. 3 doubles into the next one, coming up towards the point. And you can see here we're back at the 3 chain space, where we work the 3 double, 3 chain and 3 double. We've now got 2 spaces between these 2, between the 3 sets of 3. So in the next 2 spaces we're going to work 3 doubles in each of those spaces. And then we've got a final 3 doubles here that we're going to skip, and we do 1 double into the top of the 3 chain from the previous row. I'm going to change colour here, so I'll snip off the yarn and pull the loop through. In a new colour, I'll do a slip stitch onto the hook, and where we fastened off into the top of the stitch, I'm going to join the new colour. Oops. With a slip stitch. And again, we're going to start with the 4 chain and work 3 doubles into each of the next 2 spaces. There's one. And the second one, and then as you can see there, we're back up to the point where we've got the 3 chain space, and into that 3 chain space we work 3 doubles, 3 chain and a further 3 doubles. Coming down to the V, we're going to work 3 doubles into each of the next 2 spaces. And then we're down to the V, where we're going to skip the 2 sets of 3 and work 3 doubles into the next space, and another 3 into the next space, and that brings us back up to the point where we've got the 3 chain, and in that 3 chain space we work 3 doubles, chain 3 and 3 more doubles. Once you've got into the rhythm of the stitch, you can actually see that each side has got 2 stitches, 2 blocks of 3, 2 blocks of 3, and then again we've got 2 blocks of 3 into one space, and here in the V we're always going to skip 2. So if you remember that the pattern actually works in blocks of 2, that we've got 2, 2, 2, we're missing 2, 2 and 2. Again, we've got 2 spaces where we're going to work the 3 doubles, and the second one, and then skip the next 2 blocks of 3 and work 3 doubles into each of the 2 spaces, going back up towards the peak. At the top here we're at the 3 chain, where we're going to work 3 doubles, three chain and 3 doubles, and then 3 doubles in each of the next 2 the next 2 spaces. And we've got the final block of 3. We skip those 3 and we're going to do a double into the top of the third chain. We then turn over and start again exactly the same as the previous row, 4 chain to start, and then 2 sets of 3 doubles in the 2 spaces. Now we've got 1, 2 and 3, and again into the next space, keeping in the blocks of 2 sets of 3 doubles, back up into the 3 chain space, where again we're going to do the 3 doubles, three chain and 3 doubles. Into the next chain space, 3 doubles, and again into the next 3 doubles. That brings us to the V again of the ripple, where we're going to skip these 2 sets of 3 doubles and work 3 doubles into the next space. So that's the granny ripple. Just show you the one that I'd done previously, where you can see I've changed colour every 2 rows, and as long as you keep the formation of the 2 blocks of 2, 2 in the same, 2 blocks of 2, 2 blocks of 2, 2 into the same, skipping the 2 blocks that are forming down into the V of the ripple. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.